This week I am testing the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infasecure. In the back of the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro, there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and they're really nice and easy to connect with. They're just a little flap of plastic that you push back to access those Isofix points. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three rear seat backs. They are really nice and easy to access through the boot. Now, I've managed to get 3 Infasecure child seats across the back here, which is fantastic news. I have got the Liberty Onyx booster seat in the centre, the Quattro Onyx forward facing behind the driver, and the Infasecure Achieve More on the other side forward facing. Now, with these 3 child seats installed, we could fit a 186cm driver in front. So legroom is really good in this little SUV. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a child's drink cup fits in there too. In the back of the central console box, there are 2 little shelves that are good for popping a phone, and there's a USB socket there for charging as well. On the back of both front seats is map pockets. They will hold and conceal an iPad, and the door bins are a good size. They will hold a refillable water bottle, and there's the storage handle wells too. Storage in the front is very good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and in front of them is a wireless phone charging pad and USB and USB-C sockets. Behind them there's a really good sized central console box, and this is a central console bridge, so there's really good storage underneath as well. Good for an iPad or a wallet fits in there as well. The glove box is a good size, that will hold a wallet or iPad with the manual. And there's a glasses case in the ceiling, and the door bins will hold a large refillable water bottle and iPad or wallet, and there are storage handle wells too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box in the Tiggo 7 Pro, which is fantastic for keeping little passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving along. There's also child lock buttons in the driver's door, which is fantastic for being able to lock both rear doors and windows just with the touch of a button. The media system in the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro is really nice and easy to navigate and to use. It's got a 360 panorama camera, which is very nice. And you've also got in here, if you go into vehicle settings, you can change and customize all the different things about the car that you want to, which is really nice and handy. You've also got this nice little function.
I am listening.
Please lower fan speed.
Okay.
Which is nice and handy while you're driving. You've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in there, so you can access your apps and your phone while driving. When you put it into reverse, the camera images are really, really good. You've got a few views and you've got the 3D one as well. And these also come on while you're driving too. The boot section of this review is brought to you by Thule. The boot door of the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro opens really nice and easily with a press button and closes that way too. Let's find out how the Thule prams fit in the boot. When the boot is empty, it will hold 11 shopping bags. Or the Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with its single seat will fit in the boot of the Chery Tiggo 7 with 4 shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 2 ultimate terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 2 shopping bags. Or the Thule Spring lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro with 7 shopping bags. Or you can fit 1 90-litre and 2 70-litre Thule Chasm duffel bags. Or a medium-sized dog. The Chery Tiggo 7 Pro is a really nice, easy car to drive, especially with families on board. It's very easy to just get in and go, it handles really nicely and it's quite smooth. Visibility is excellent in here. Even with 3 child seats in the back, I can see really nicely out the back, and I've got great side visibility too. And those cameras are excellent while you're driving. The turning circle is nice and tight in here, which makes manoeuvring and parking in tight school and supermarket car parks really nice and easy. So to sum up with the Tiggo 7 Pro, it does make a great family baby drive. You can just fit those 3 Infasecure child seats in the back, which is fantastic, and the boot space is really generous, and you can fit all those Thule prams easily in the boot. The drive is really good and the media system and cameras are excellent too.